In a typical crystalline silicon module, it's really the lead in the solder that you're concerned about. Sorry. In the early days of solar, there were different technologies being experimented with. A lot of modules were hand soldered, and so they have a lot of solder in them. But that's absolutely not the case anymore. Module manufacturing is automated, and the amount of solder is gone down drastically.
The quantity of lead in the module, it is much, much lower than all of the various EPA or regulatory limits, and it is in many cases lower than just naturally occurring lead levels in some number of soils.
That's on the milligrams per square meter kind of level. Any kind of e-waste or any kind of appliances, that's a much bigger source than PV modules ever will.